Let's take a look at this example. This time angle beta is given, but be careful, angle is expressed in radians. So the very first thing which you're supposed to do, switch your calculators to radians. And side C is given, hypotenuse of the triangle is given, and we're supposed to find side A, the length of side A, the length of side B, and the angle alpha. Now, because angle beta is given, I'm going to look at the formulas with angle beta. So, I have to find side A. Cosine beta is equal A over C. Beta is given, C is given, I can find side A. So I have cosine beta is equal A over C. In order to find length of side A, I'm supposed to rearrange this formula. I have to eliminate the fraction in order to separate A. So you have to multiply always both sides equation by the denominator. So C and C will cancel out, and we have A is equal C times cosine beta, where C is equal 728 millimeters times cosine 1.3 radians. Let me remind you one more time. Angle is expressed in radians. Switch your calculator to radians. And I have A equals 194.74 millimeters. This is the length of side A. If you want to find the length of side B, we can use formula for tangent beta. Why? Because beta is given, we found A, we can find side B. Also, if you want to find side B, you can use formula for sine angle beta, because beta is given, C was given, and we can find side B. Also, we can use Pythagorean theorem. This time I'm going to use formula for sine of angle beta. Why? Because I want you to practice different ways to solve these kind of problems. So let me copy this formula down. We have sine angle beta is equal B over C. In order to solve this formula for B, you're supposed to eliminate the fraction. In order to eliminate the fraction from the formula, I have to multiply both sides of the formula by the denominator. C and C will cancel out. And we have B is equal C times sine of angle beta, where C is equal 728 millimeters times sine of angle beta, which is equal 1.3 radians. This is equal 701.47 millimeters. This is the length of side B. In other words, this is the opposite side to angle beta. Next, I'm supposed to keep in mind that the sum of angles alpha and beta is equal 90 degrees, but 90 degrees converged to radians is equal pi over 2. In order to find angle alpha, I'm supposed to move angle beta to the right side of my formula, and I have alpha is equal pi over 2 minus beta, where pi over 2 minus beta, which is equal 1.3 radians, is equal 0.27 radians. So I found length of side A, I found the length of side B, and I found angle alpha. The problem is solved.